I had my touch so I could shine it in their face like they just did to me.
I was
I
loud.
was talking about IVF, by the way, Becky. I was just saying about how I don't really think that people should be adding more human beings to the planet full of surplus population.
What were they going on about?
What's wrong with them?
Good one. Me.
Sound like Neanderthals.
Where's the bit where... Honestly, I heard very audible. They went on about me being on the bench or something.
Population. What's wrong with them? Sound like Neanderthals. You sit on a bench by yourself, yeah.
It's weird, it wasn't audible.